My dear child, have you ever felt like something truly precious has been taken from your life forever? As if time quietly swallowed your dreams, as if your prayers fell apart before they could even reach the sky? If yes, then what I'm about to tell you today will touch every broken piece of your heart. My dear child, I hear every sigh of yours. I know every night that's soaked in your tears, and every pain you hide from the world, I see it. You think you're alone. You feel like what you've lost will never return. But let me tell you a truth. Your story isn't over yet. Do you remember that day when you believed with all your heart, when your dreams were full of light and your hopes carried strength? Then something happened, something that broke you from within. Maybe it was a relationship that fell apart, maybe an opportunity that slipped through your hands, or maybe a faith that slowly faded away. You tried, you prayed, but you didn't get an answer. And little by little, you convinced yourself that maybe it just wasn't meant for you. But my child, I was watching you. Even when you gave up, I was still making a way for you. Even when you thought it was over, I was rewriting your story from the beginning. You feel like you've lost everything, but the truth is, I haven't lost anything. Every tear of yours, every prayer, every pain is safely held with me. My dear child, sometimes I take things from you so I can give you something better. You think you lost, but I was preparing you. You think doors have closed, but I was building a new one for you, bigger and more beautiful than before. You ask, when? You wonder, why so much waiting? And I understand, waiting isn't easy. But remember, every delay has a purpose. When a seed is buried in the soil, it doesn't end, it prepares to grow. Just like that, what feels buried in your life is not gone. It's getting ready to return, stronger and more beautiful than ever. My dear child, I will restore everything you've lost. But I won't just give you what you had before. I'll give you something even better. Your broken heart, I will mend it. And this time, it will be stronger. Your lost dreams, I will awaken them, and this time, they will become reality. Your shaken faith, I will rebuild it, and this time, it will never break. You think you're not worthy, that you've made too many mistakes, that you've lost too much. But my child, I am greater than your mistakes. Every weakness you carry is an opportunity for me to make you stronger. Every failure is a path I use to lead you towards success. You only need to do one thing. Trust me. When you don't understand, trust me. When everything feels like it's falling apart, trust me. When your heart tells you there's nothing left, still trust me. Because I am taking you to a place you never even imagined. I will fill you with a joy that erases your pain. I will give you a peace that removes your fear. My dear child, you are not alone. I am always with you, in every tear, in every smile, in every fall, in every victory. And I promise I will restore everything you've lost and give you so much more. My dear child, are you ready to understand how I am going to bring the miracle into your life that you have been waiting for so long? You have endured pain. You have experienced loss. You have spent nights in tears. But now the time is coming, the time of restoration. You may think everything will change suddenly, that one day everything will just be fixed. But my child, I work in your life slowly, deeply, and permanently. Just like a potter shapes clay, I am reshaping you. The first miracle you will witness is the change within you. Yes, before your outer circumstances change, I will begin my work inside you. Your heart, which feels broken, I will fill it with peace. Your mind, filled with fear and anxiety, I will calm and steady it. Your soul, which has grown weary, I will breathe new life into it. You will begin to notice that the things which once broke you no longer affect you the same way. The people who once hurt you, you will start to feel forgiveness toward them. And this will not be by your own strength. This will be my work within you. The second miracle, open doors. Suddenly, doors you had stopped even thinking about will begin to open. Opportunities will come beyond your understanding. People will enter your life who lift you up instead of pulling you down. And you will ask, how is this happening? And I will gently remind you, I told you I will restore everything. The third miracle, what was lost will return, but in a new form. Listen carefully. I do not simply return what you lost. I return it better. If you lost love, I will give you a deeper, truer love. If you lost an opportunity, I will give you one far greater. If you lost confidence, I will give you a courage that will never break. Do you remember when you said, I can't do this anymore? From that very moment, I decided I would do it for you. My dear child, there is only one thing you must not let go of: faith. When things change slowly, keep your faith. When nothing seems to change, keep your faith. When everything feels like it's going wrong, still keep your faith. Because what I am doing is not based on what you see now, it is connected to your future. A new chapter is beginning in your story, a chapter where your pain becomes your strength, where your failures become your testimony, where your tears turn into joy. And one day you will look back and say, if all of that hadn't happened, I would have never reached here. My dear child, I never left you. When you were crying, I was with you. When you were breaking, I was holding you together. When you gave up, I was fighting for you. And now the time has come for you to see what I have prepared for you. Joy will return to your life. Peace will return. Love will return. And most importantly, you will find yourself again. Final promise. I will not only give you back what you lost, I will give you what you never even asked for, because my love is greater than your imagination. My dear child, rise now, wipe your tears, and move forward, because your restoration has already begun. You are not alone. I am always with you. My beloved child, if you love me, subscribe this channel.